Hello guys and welcome to a new AI tool review. So today we're going to be checking out Pygmalion AI. It's a Character.ai alternative with all the Character.ai updates and crazy filters. I see a lot of people looking for alternatives, and this new AI character slash roleplay platform is really amazing. I'm going to be checking it out, trying and see how it goes. Alright, once you're on the front page, click Home and you will see featured characters. Alright, all these characters are filtered. What do you want to do if you don't like them? Click on your profile. You can easily sign in using a Google account. Click right here. Customize your profile. Scroll a little bit. You will see tags. You can delete and keep some. Content filter. If you want to save, keep it safe. If you want everything, click everything. Show everything. Go back, click save. Account setting updated successfully. Go back, home. Alright, let's see, for example, you like this character, click on it. Chat. Good to go. Send your first message. Alright, you receive your first message. You have a lot of options right here. You click on three dots if you want to edit, delete, or select, copy, or if you want the character to keep talking about the same message that you sent, click continue. Click on this button right here. You will see chat, info, click completion, extend generation, scroll, author notes, for example, things that you want the character to remember, write it right here. Sampling preset, standard, creative, you can select and try on whatever fits your interests. Click on style. You can have a lot of customization right here. For example, the chat, middle, right, left, size, text size, font, pretty cool stuff. Avatar size. You see the character avatar. That one looks cool. Message style, you want card or bubble. You see, card is cool. Color, you can customize or just keep theme. Background type, customize or none, or the one that comes with the character. Message list height. Alright. Once you customize, click right here and you're good to go. Back to home. For example, you like this character, you click on it, click chat, and you will see. Click start chat. Alright, that's the second character. Let's suppose we want to go back to the first one. You click right here, all your conversations. Alright. Go back home. You can create your own character if you want. Click my stuff. Create new character. You can start from scratch, upload existing character card or JSON file. And right here you can make your character public, which means you will create it and send it for verification, or you can make it private and you don't need a verification, you can use it as you want. And the private characters are not restricted. You can literally name them, put anything you want because it's private and not monitored. But if you want to make the character public, it will be sent for verification and you will receive a reply as soon as possible. Personally, I feel like that's a strong Character AI competitor with all these free features. It's on beta. You might see some slow performance, some lag, bugs. It will perform better, but it's pretty much a very fun platform for a new AI character tool. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.